Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. So I've been super interested in different ways to take my makeup off that doesn't require using a ton of makeup wipes because they're not very good for the environment. Also, my dog is like chewing on things in here, so if you hear squeaks or any chewing or anything, I'm very sorry, but this is my life. So, Millie. So, I wanted to test out the, what is this called? It's in this cute little pouch. This is the makeup eraser. So I have a limited edition watermelon one. I have the normal one too, but I thought I would use this one first just because it's really cute. So this is supposed to take off your makeup. You just wet this towel and you take your makeup off with it. So what I usually use is something like the Tatcha cleansing oil and a wet washcloth. So what we are going to do, hey, stop it. Oh my God, they're going crazy in here. We got two dogs in here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is half the face take off my makeup with this and half of my face take it off with this. No growling, come on. Let's play nice. Oh my God, everybody out, come on. Out, 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 out. Thank you. Okay, so my makeup is done for the day, so this is perfect timing. I am gonna look at the proper directions for this, and I'm going to wet both of these and I will be right back. Okay, so I read the directions. It says soak in warm water. Warmer the water, the better. And it says be sure to wash prior to first use to activate the fibers. So I didn't do that. So what I did is I just washed this section that I wet with some soap, rinsed it out, and then re-wet it. So yeah, that should be good to go. I've got my wet washcloth, and then how we're gonna test to see what takes off the most is I'm gonna use my toner. I have 2 cotton pads right here, so we're gonna see what leaves the most residue. I'm so sorry about my dog chewing her toy. Okay, so her back, and let's start with this one. So this, it says this longer portions to exfoliate. I don't know how that works. And the shorter side is to take the makeup off. So I'm gonna do this side. My left side is this. So I'm just gonna draw a line down the middle. Wow, okay. Oh my God, that's so wild. Oh, I need to take my lashes off too. Put these right here. Okay, so we've got lots of makeup coming off. It does tug more on my skin, like around my eye area. Let's see. I've got liquid liner on. It's not really getting that off. It's getting my brow stuff off, which is nice. And, ooh, that took off my mascara really well. Okay, it's like taking everything off my eyes. Last pass. So far, so good. This is like wild right now. So this is it clean, and this is with my makeup. So that's how much it took off. Okay, so let's go in with this oil. I'm gonna take my ring off real quick. I'll do like 3 pumps. I like this kind of stuff because it just really melts the product, as you can see. And then I just go in, and I don't have to tug really hard because everything is just coming off. And some of my eyeliner won't come off because it's stuck with eyelash glue, which is totally fine. That happens to the best of us. one last pass. Alright. Oh my god, Millie! Sorry, my dog is a terror right now and just moved my camera. She bumped into it. But, moment of truth. I have 2 pads here. I'm going to try and get them saturated evenly. And I'll just press them together so that they kind of have the same amount of moisture in them. Right here. So, let's really go in. Okay, and then all right, moment of truth. These are getting really washed out by the lighting, so I'm gonna turn my ring light off and we can see these. Okay, so I hope you can see this better. This side is the oil and this side is the just the cloth. So this side has slightly more product on it, just a tad more. You can see a little bit of product on here, but I can just see a little bit more on this one. Can you see it? So this did such a good job. Turn my ring light back on. Wow, I am thoroughly impressed. It did just as well as my tatcha oil and my washcloth, even a little bit better, which is insane. And it's just a cloth, and this is what it looks like after. So this is awesome. I'm really late to this game because these have been around for a while, but I'm actually about to go traveling and overseas, so this would be so amazing to bring along to reduce the wipes that I'm going to use, or like even the liquids I would need to carry on my flight. So I am so impressed. Also, this is like the cutest thing ever, and I look like a hot mess. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you think it was informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys.